Hello and welcome to my screencast on open source software and operating systems. Here is my screen in Ubuntu. So it looks a little bit different than a regular screen. Here is the drop down menu. You have web browsers, a lot of different things you can pick. So if you want to go on the internet, let's say you want to use Firefox. Pops up. It does have the Ubuntu thing there, so if we wanted to log into tracks, here is my page, and there we go. Here's tracks. Here is our class. Here is the info page on Ubuntu. Community developed Linux operating system. That's what we use on this laptop. Other open source alternatives we have LibreOffice. Here's LibreOffice loading. So you can choose from all the same documents as you usually would be in Microsoft Office. A text document or a presentation, which would be a PowerPoint. I can open a file that I have on my computer. Let's see. Keith Haring PowerPoint. And it imports it. So basically just like a PowerPoint. The most important feature you have, I think, is that you can save all your documents with a variety of file formats. So open document, you can do PowerPoint, PowerPoint PSX, PowerPoint TX. So you have a variety of formats which you can save any of your files. Another open source software alternative we have is our graphics, which is the GIMP. The GIMP is a Photoshop alternative that is free and open source. I can, open a file I've already created to show you. Our EdTech logo for the EdTech 14 conference. Come and tech it. So basically it's very similar to PowerPoint. You create everything in layers. If I wanted to create another layer, boom, new layer. Pops up over here. We'll call it new layer X, and there's our new layer. So it's not exactly the same, but it's extremely close. Additionally, we're talking about the 3-2-1 method. Those are three things: Ubuntu operating system, Ubuntu, LibreOffice, and the GIMP. Two things I found that were interesting about open source software. I have to say that when I was reading the links from the wiki about why open source should be used in schools, the idea of freedom of software, like freedom from censorship, I thought was a really great idea, as well as when you're looking at all the different projects for Linux in education, Linux in schools project. Something I didn't know about before, Emacs Speak, the complete audio desktop, which can help change how blind and visually impaired users around the world can interact with their computer. Some incredible stuff, and all of this is free. One question I still have about why you wouldn't use open source software or an operating system is that it's free. With the hundreds of thousands of dollars a larger school district could possibly save, not having to pay for licenses or access to a creative Adobe suite, which is extremely expensive, we could take that money and spend it on actually giving laptops or tablets to the students, or just helping the school in general. This was my brief overview of open source software. and our open source operating system, Xubuntu, that I'm currently running on my computer. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great evening.